Your content's good to go and you're ready to present. Here's how to go live in Webex Teams on Windows. With the Prezi video app open and your content ready, click Video Conference. Next, head over to Webex Teams within the browser or the desktop app and start a meeting from a space or a direct message. You'll need to switch your camera, so click the three dots in the toolbar, select Camera, and then select Prezi Video Virtual Camera from the drop-down list. You'll see a preview, and the camera in Webex Teams will update to show the same as in Prezi Video, meaning you're ready to go. Quick tip: if you notice you're mirrored in Webex, just go to your camera settings and flip the camera view. To navigate through your content, use the left and right arrows in the Prezi Video app, or click directly on anything you want to zoom to. You can also switch the views to show only you and your content, or just your content anytime. Once you're done, just go back to Webex Teams and switch back to your default camera to stop streaming from the Prezi Video app. And that's it. You're now ready to go live in Prezi Video with Webex Teams on Windows.